Now, I am just explaining about the schrodinger equation. Eigenvalue max is equal to a is c over cx plus b equivalent minus cx. I have drawn schrodinger wave equation below. There is a y coordinate as a y coordinate and b is a x coordinate. Then then xp having below p xp a equals c p xp vp as is the y coordinate, vp is the x coordinate, equal minus cp xp. For photon particles, the coefficient of Schrodinger equation is photon particles. Coefficient. Then eigenvalue of xz is equal to h e cz xz bz e to the power minus cz cz xz. This is the Schrodinger coefficient of graviton particles. Now, CZ and CP is equal to C. What is the value of C? C is depending on 2m into E minus U by h square. H is the Planck constant and the mass of photon particles or graviton particles. E, the energy of photon particles or graviton particles. And minus U is the barrier. MP and mg is the mass of graviton particles and photon particles. When the photon particles and graviton particles interact, they decay. their energy by interaction. Once their energy are turned into zero, how? For proton particles. And graviton particle. Their photon particles velocity c p is equal to 3 to 10 to the 8 meter per second. Then if p is equal to if p has a value, and but if p with the interaction of photon particle and graviton particle reciprocally inverse, if p minus u and one time is equal to 0 by the inverse force, Ep is equal to minus u minus Ep. So we can tell Ep is equal to 10 into 10 to the minus 16 minus 16 Eb minus, and E first time 6 into 10 to the minus 16 Eb. On the contrary, graviton particles starting this position Cz velocity, and Ep is equal to 6 into 10 to the minus 32 Ep. So, when graviton particles decaying their energy, then it is turned into zero, and then it is its movement inverse step, and then is equal Ep minus u is equal to minus z is equal to minus 6 into 10 to the minus 32. Once their energy are turned into zero, then its velocity are turned into the inverse system, and once time the energy of two particles turn into the same and the minus. The below sketch by wave system. Now this is the photon particles wave, and this is the graviton particles wave. They are interacting each other, and as equal to x coordinate and Vp, the y coordinate x coordinate. Here, photon particles stop as equal to 0. So there is the still now conclusion of the analysis. You have to remember and remain. Please, if you like this and prefer this analysis, subscribe me. I am Bireshwar, news.